Hi everybody and welcome to Off the Cuff. Today I'm doing another Copycat episode. That's when I take something that's well known like a fast food item and I make a copycat version of it where it's lower carb and lower in calories. And today's copycat food, well, it's been around since 1967. Yeah, a long time. As a matter of fact, it even has its own theme song, which I remember. Anyway, it's a Big Mac. Today I'm going to do a lower carb, lower calorie, homemade version of the Big Mac. Now, you can find the ingredients for a Big Mac everywhere, but you can't find the special sauce, can you? So don't tell anybody. I went on the dark web and I found an industry insider who is willing to come on the show under the cloak of anonymity and give us the recipe to the very famous McDonald's special sauce. And he's here right now via a live remote. Now, he only wants to be known as MC, so I respect that. And I think we're going to have the remote. Do we have it yet? Oh, okay. It looks like a deserted parking garage. Are you sure that's right? He's there? Oh, Mr. MC?
Oh, yes. Here I am.
Well, thank you for being on the show. I can barely see you. You must be taking quite a risk.
Oh, you said it, bub. If they found out who I am, oh, my buns would be toasted.
Your buns would... Anyway, so do you work for McDonald's?
I used to. I invented the Happy Meal.
Oh, that's really cool.
Until they changed ad agencies, don't you know? Then I was out on my keister.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
Oh, it was terrible. I couldn't find work. Even Sid and Monty Croft turned me down even.
Wait, Sid and Marty Croft?
I still can't find work. I applied to replace Pete Buttigieg in South Bend even.
The transportation secretary?
That's why I'm sharing the recipe to the special sauce. I didn't sign an NDA.
Well, you know, I was looking on the regular web. This sauce isn't a secret. It's actually everywhere.
Even the Food Network turned me down, but they gave that purple monstrosity a job. Wobble, wobble, indeed.
Wobble, wobble? Oh, wait a minute. I know who you are.
I'm the Burger King.
No, you're not the Burger King.
I'm Wendy?
No, you're not Wendy. You're Mayor McCheese.
Okay. You got me.
Don't worry about it, Mayor. Your secret is safe with me. Mayor McCheese, with a recipe that's actually not that big a secret. Here are the ingredients. Now for the ingredients for our low-carb copycat Big Mac. First, the Big Mac buns. 1 cup almond flour. 3 tablespoons each of whey protein powder and psyllium husk powder. 1 tablespoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. 1 egg. 1 cup warm water, and about 1/8 of a cup of sesame seeds. Now for the burger and fixins. 8 ounces 80/20 ground chuck meat. 1/4 cup shredded lettuce. 1/8 cup minced onion. 1 slice American cheese, and 3 to 4 pickle slices. Now for that special sauce. 1/4 cup mayonnaise. 1 tablespoon French dressing. 2 teaspoons pickle relish. 1/2 tablespoon white onion, and we're going to process that. 1/2 teaspoon white vinegar. 1/2 teaspoon swerve, and a pinch of salt. First up, our low-carb buns. Now, you can buy low-carb buns, you can, but they're really expensive. These are actually really fast and easy to make, and you can store them in the refrigerator. Let's mix our dry ingredients. First, the almond flour. The 3 tablespoons of whey protein powder. This is the psyllium husk. Baking powder, and the salt. Now whisk away. Just want to make sure this gets mixed together. This is really so easy to do. That's why I recommend this to actually buying the rolls. That's enough. Now we put in our 1 egg and our 1 cup of warm water. and mix it up. I'm telling you, this is really that easy. You just want to mix this till it gets super well incorporated. Okay, that should be about it. Now, let it rest for 10 minutes so the water gets absorbed by all the dry good stuff in here, and then we'll be back. The 10 minutes is up, and as you can see, this is no longer watery. This is going to be easy to form into a ball of dough. This forms rather quickly, it really does. I know when you first do it, it looks like it's going to be a sloggy mess, but no, there it is. Now I'm getting a scale. The reason why I got a scale is I want to measure this into 2 6-ounce buns. Yes, we're making 2 buns for 1 burger, and I'll share that secret too. Let's see how much this weighs. This weighs almost exactly 1 pound. Okay, here is the air fryer pan, which I have sprayed with non-stick cooking spray. You want to place these at least 2 inches apart. They can be round, they're going to flatten out. I flatten them just a little. Take the egg wash from that second egg and apply it thusly. This also helps to make the buns get nice and brown. And your sesame seeds. Wouldn't be a Big Mac without the sesame seed buns. Now, into the oven or air fryer. I'm using the air fryer. Okay, into the air fryer oven. This is going to take about 30 minutes at 350. I'm going to check it at 15. Okay, now for the special sauce. It's really, really simple. Let's first put in the French dressing into the mayonnaise. Yep, I'm going to use that bowl as the main bowl. The white vinegar. The pickle relish. The salt and the swerve. Now we are missing the onions. Well, we need a tablespoon of onions, and I don't want them chunky. So, in here they go. Pulverize. So I only need a tablespoon. There we go. That's about a tablespoon. Plop. The rest you can put aside. But voila, you have it. Lay special sauce. Okay, so I have 2 quarter-ounce burgers, or just flatten them out. I flatten them more than I should because they will shrink. Okay, once flattened, take some salt, place on the air fryer pan or grill or instrument. Salt is the only seasoning I use for this. And now it's ready for the air fryer. Okay, in go the patties. We're going to do 400 for 12 minutes. Our buns are hot. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Yummy, yummy. It's going in the tummy. Okay, we're in final assembly stage. Now here's what we do with our buns. Take your bun and cut it in half. There we go. Now we have a top and a bottom. Take your other bun and cut it in half, but not as much. Lean more towards making the top half the bigger part. Now we use this here and this here. We have a 3-tiered bun. We put the special sauce on as much as you want. Then some onion. Now here's the minced onions from before. I just saved them. The lettuce. Here's some lettuce. Your cheese. And a hamburger patty. Now the middle bun goes on. More sauce. Onion. Lettuce. Burger patty. And some pickle. And there you have it. Your Big Mac.
To all beef patty special sauce, lettuce, cheese, pickles, onions on a sesame seed bun. To all beef patty special sauce, lettuce.
And we are done. What did you say? Have it your way? Absolutely. My way. Low carb. And it looks fantastic. Now, the one thing I didn't anticipate is that with my own ingredients, the bun, the meat, this is a lot bigger than the Big Mac you get at the store these days. I wonder if back in the day, 1967, if this is how big they were originally. Because this really is a Big Mac. Very easy to make. These rolls are not hard at all, as you saw. And then it's just burger and ingredients and munch, munch, munch. The carbs are really low, and I made a lot of sauce. There's a lot of carbs in that sauce, but I didn't use that much. Maybe a tablespoon total of it all. Not bad. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to taste my first ever homemade Big Mac. It might be a little messy, but hey, those are the perils of the job. Oh, and before I do, if you haven't already, please consider being a Patreon. I love bringing you off the cuff. I love all these ingredients, and this would be a way for you to help support the show so I can bring you more food, more comedy, more episodes. I have 3 tiers of pricing. They're all very modest, and you get, swag. Okay, here we go with the taste. I hope this is not a total... Oh, it looks so good. Here we go. The first thing I notice is that special sauce. Then the lettuce, the cheese, the onions are there. The meat is so good. 80-20. It's a very flavorful meat. It keeps a lot of the fat. Oh, I have to have more. It is falling apart. Falling. It has fell apart. Oh, I could eat this all day. Well, that's it for this time around. We're here again in 2 weeks after this show debuts with another recipe. Until then, be well, eat good.